validate me.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this look that I am currently rocking. So today we are featuring Ashimary Hair. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So I know you see it. Today we have a blue 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is a bone straight texture. This hair did come pre-colored. As stated, this is a transparent lace, so I did use my even lace tint to tint the lace prior to filming this video and installing this wig. I also did quite a bit of plucking for this wig because, you know, she had to be flawless, okay? So the hairline is going to be dense when you first receive it, but I like that in this situation because it gives you enough hair to customize the hairline specifically to your liking. I did attempt to lift the knot. Just to be sure, I went ahead and I used, I believe, 30 volume. So it didn't get to a blonde or a brown. It just lightened the actual blue. So the knots of the wig were, I achieved like a lighter blue. So that was okay, but just so you know, you won't be able to lift that. You can purchase this wig in densities 150, 180, or 250. You can also get this in a 13x4 lace as well as a 13x6. I believe this is a 180 density that I have here, and I have it in 24 inches, but you can also purchase this anywhere from 14 inches all the way up to 32. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. So another spec or another detail that I wanted to be sure to include is that this hair is going to transfer. This hair did bleed quite a bit when I washed it, and as I was styling the hair and I put any type of like oil-based product in the hair or water-based product in the hair, it's going to transfer. So you don't want to ruin the collars of your light colored shirts, so I would definitely avoid wearing light colored shirts that you like care about, because it's going to stain, it's going to transfer, it's going to rub off on there. Otherwise, the hair is super soft. I love this hair. If I was to get this again, I would definitely go up in density. Although it's full, it is full, but I would still go up in density. Ashimary has quite a bit of a collection on their website. I'm talking colors, lengths, styles, or Ashimary, however you prefer. I will start a playlist so you can check out any other of the wigs that I have reviewed or styled from that company. But I definitely love this color. This company has yet to disappoint. And I think that was, yeah, I'm about an average cap size and it fit perfect. So anything smaller than that, you can do a little bit of adjusting with like your elastic bands. But if you have a larger head, I would definitely reach out to the company and see if they offer larger cap sizes, because you might have a little issue. But that was it. All the links will be in the description box. I have a special 25% off discount code. I will put that here on the screen as well as down in the comments. I also have this in my bio over on Instagram and TikTok. So be sure to use that discount code. It's going to save you 25% if you decide to purchase not just this wig, but any wig from that website. So shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring another video. Shout out to y'all for watching another wig tutorial, and I'll see you beauties in the next video. Bye.
Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on and call me dashes. Watch it like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. Nigga, no sassy. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no TyeStylez, ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my bed can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why might have a time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me, I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can't see. I'm blind. hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
And take you back to the casa that I got you rock now. That thick all over the yacht now. That's that freak Nick. That's that 1996. That's that Miami base. 12 in the trunk, 808. That's that Castro. Eat that shit like Mastros. She say she on the diet, girl. You better not lose that ass off. That's that real shit. That's that jelly nigga. That's that really nigga. That's that thick. That's that ball drop. That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Baby, that's that thick. That's that thick. Baby, that's that thick. That's that thick. Look at this shit. Ooh, that's that strawberry. That's that grape and cherry. Ooh, that's that ginseng. Cut that bitch like culinary. That's the bounce. Spend my money, make it count. If it's lost, then it get found. Just keep dropping that shit down. That's that summer, that's them hummers. That's that girl, give me your number. That's that joy, that's that solid. Yeah, I just got out of college. That's that I don't do this usually. I don't know what you do to me. That I don't do this usually. Oh, you can't body me, back it up like limousine. You gotta make the photo to fit in magazine, right? Girl, look at your body, right? Oh, take this and don't let go. Tell me how bad you been wanting it, and hurry up for the moment ends. I like what I hear, might be sleeping in. Screaming, babe, I'm sick, chocolate, I'm sick.